Yeah, YouTube, how we doing? We're back, and my apologies. I haven't been able to do records for the past few days, and it's really not in my intentions not to record. However, one, have been very busy in church throughout. So yeah, we've been having a massive revival. So we are back, and we're gonna be focusing on Nasdaq. Um, I think maybe if I haven't said, I only trade one currency pair, which is pound dollar, and the rest are indices. So yeah, let's have a quick look. Um, just to do some sort of a study, a quick study. You're just gonna look into this, which is the previous candle that made a bullish movement after uh, a pullback. So, which gave us this great support here. I'm speaking about this area, this candle. The last candle is this one. Let me have this so that I can show you. The last candle is this red one here. So it's the one that gives us essentially after this pullback here, we pushed up, then we came back and created a bit of a support, and like that. Basically, it's just a nice order flow. But I know in retail is called support and resistance. But if you are in SMC, you will be looking in these areas as order flow, uh, like that. So we're not there today. However, I was just giving a background to say this is what we have seen. So looking at this other side, we've seen a massive drop since this high. We then saw a massive drop. We've seen this drop to the end of days, and post this, what we had here, I'm just giving, this is basically some sort of I would say in a way a bit of retail type of background, so that we can be able to be accommodative to everybody. So what we see now is that it broke out here, the structure here. This structure is a break of structure, but then I'll give it to you in proper SMC way. So it broke out this structure here. It went to the upside, and then it came and retested. Then I pushed to the upside, a break of structure. So yeah, anticipating for a push to the downside for a little bit, and a push back to the upside, which now this area, it's more like a break of structure of this area, but not that much important. Way too far from me. I would have seen this one. This is actually the high I'll be looking forward to. On a weekly perspective, I'll be looking at this high to be broken above, so we can know that the market is most likely to go to the upside. So for now, we just saw a bit of double bottom formation, and then it pushed to the upside and retested, and a push again to the upside. Now, having said that, so what we'll be looking into here on Nasdaq is that we have seen this low, and this became our strong low, this became our weak high, simply because this low broke out this high. So this is our new low, supposedly maybe to become our strong low, and this to become our weak high. So when this goes back like that, when this goes back and retest, it shouldn't break out of this. So that this if should this one break this out, then this will be our new low, which is it will be our weak low. So this will be our new strong high. So our anticipation is that this should be a weak high. This should hold and become our strong low, and it should break above, and like that, like that, like that, like that, up until maybe where the markets will decide where we're turning. But over and above, I just wanna do a quick analysis, having given the background of what we are seeing here. So with that being said, I would say this would be my weekly high. This would be my weekly high, and then this would be I would prefer this to be my weekly low, simply because it has become our strong low either way. So let's get into this. So that has been our weekly low, for the obvious reasons anyway. We have seen that it has been, I would say it has respected some area. So this is the strong low that we had. This low, it was our strong low, and we broke above this. This is our break of structure. Break of structure. Then this is our new low. So sorry, this will be our high, our daily high. Sorry, this will be our daily high, and I would just say, this is just me hypothetically saying, I'll just place this one here. It's one of the most respected area, but doesn't hold much waters by far, because what we're looking for is this low to hold. So I'll just make it my daily low for now, and then yeah, we're seeing that the market reached this area, and after it reaches this area, it dropped and came back, and now it's showing a sign of pushing to the downside once more. So let's see 4 hour. Yes, this is the 4 hour I'm looking for. So now, having seen this, we're realizing that it has come to this area, the last candlestick. Remember the last candlestick that gave us a drop, and if you check, it has hit the 50% of this candlestick, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll just check it quickly. So exactly the 50%, this is where it turned and dropped to the downside, and since then there's never changed its mind. There's been dropping. So yeah, On a 4 hour, we're seeing a nice push to the downside. However, we don't have confirmation if this is changing to the downside or not. We need further confirmations. We need to confirm that first. Let's go to 1 hour so that we can see it better. So on 1 hour, guys, and the price came and hit 50% and it dropped and it came back to this area. I don't know, but yeah, it came back to this area, then it dropped again. And how it dropped, this is where price action played. This candle, the last candle, again the last candle, this one, it didn't even go to the 50%, but I would put it as my 1 hour POI. Yeah, I'll put it as my 1 hour POI. So then it dropped and broke the structure. It's a break of structure. This is a break of structure. It's a nice break of structure. The hourly, yes. A nice hourly break of structure, then a push to the upside, then a pull to the downside a bit. So we still actually moving to the downside. Nothing much has happened since here. Let's see how it happened. Just below 50% anyway. That's still fine, it's still valid. So we have seen that, then it dropped, but it didn't close below. It didn't close below. I would have loved that the price would come to this area. I would have loved that, but it didn't come there. Yeah, that's the guys, it's always giving me trouble, especially when I'm dropping to the smaller time frame. I always get a bit choked with the Nasdaq all these weeks here, because I'm seeing a high level of imbalance here. There's a whole big candlestick that just dropped, and I wanna just do this and see. I wanna see if I were to drop to 15 minutes, will I have something that is solid? My last candlestick, it's definitely this one here. It's this one here. Let me just be a bit clean. That's my last candlestick. That'll be my 15-minute POI. My 15-minute POI. Let's just see a Fibonacci and see what's really transpiring here. Yeah. Okay, now I'm seeing it properly. Okay, not this one. Let's rather take this and place it here. Alright. So I think I'm gonna put my cells here. I'm gonna put my cells here and just put my stop loss just slightly above this, and I'm targeting this. Just wanna check this quickly. This 111, I think, which is quite nice, but even this, it's still below the equilibrium. So should it fail to go above the equilibrium, I mean to reach this area, my second thing is gonna be somewhere here. We'll be expecting some sort of a cell, because there's a great chance that it might not even reach here. So yeah. So, but over and above, I'm actually looking forward for it to come to these areas and drop to our first TP, and our second TP is gonna be our daily low, obviously. So I drop to 5 minutes and see actually what's really happening on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes, I'm seeing nice price section that is played here. I'm seeing a break of structure, and every break of structure, I think we already know by now. I've been preaching this for the past 2 videos. In every break of structure, we're looking forward to a pullback. So I just want to check how this pullback worked. No, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be buying actually by now. It's below equilibrium. Just quickly on my phone and buy this Nasdaq. I'm gonna buy it right now. Nasdaq, where are you? There we go. I'm buying Nasdaq. So as I'm buying Nasdaq, my TP is gonna be this one. Okay, I'm seeing this is what really challenged me last time, I guess, because I was supposed to have entered the trade, but it didn't enter. So I think it's because of the very same mistake that I've done here. So my TP is gonna be 13085.8. That will be my TP, and then the stop loss need to be a bit nice. 130, what do you call it? 85.8. Okay, and my stop loss is just gonna be here. 12955. 12955. Yeah. I'm already in deep profits. So basically, this is what I've done. I took it here, so my stop loss is basically somewhere here, and this is where my TP will be for this buy, and I'm gonna put a sell limit there so that we come back with it strong. I'm just gonna put my sell limit. So guys, basically this is what I'm actually looking forward to hold for the longest time up until it reaches my TP, because that's where I'm actually waiting for my waiting for my, what do you call it, for my entry right there. So quick one. Alright. Now yes, still fine. Just a minute. Yeah. And my stop loss, it's 13103. Yeah. 03. That's good. And my TP 129. I'm gonna say 12936. I'm not gonna be forcing it to do anything anyway. Yeah, so guys, basically that's what we're actually looking forward to in the market today, especially on Nas100. So thank you so much and see you on the next video. So the next thing that you need to do, please smash that like button, and also comment with things that you actually want to learn from me, and most definitely we will engage in those lessons and see how we can help you. But over and above, for these videos to reach many people as possible, please like, and if you're seeing it today, this was done today, and which is the 23rd, the 21st of April. I'm doing this around 11:15. So if you see it today on the 23rd, 21st of April, just know that you have an opportunity to enter these cells. When you see this video, you can place the cells, the cell limit, you can place them. So let it reach as many people as possible before 3:30 today. Thank you.